What housework do you do at home? What housework do you do at home? At home, I do several types of housework. I usually wash the dishes after meals, clean the kitchen, and tidy up the living room. I also like to vacuum and dust the furniture once a week. Sometimes I help with the laundry, and I also make the beds in the morning. If I had more time, I would probably spend more time organizing and decorating the house. Esta respuesta es clara, utiliza vocabulario básica, lo cual es adecuado para un A2. Tareas de hogar como wash the dishes, lavar los platos, vacuum, pasar la aspiradora, tidy up, ordenar. Y mencionar algunas tareas regulares utilizando sometimes para indicar que no siempre se hace todo. Wash the dishes, lava los platos, vacuum, pasar la aspiradora, dust, limpiar polvo, laundry, lavandera y conectores como and para añadir más actividades and sometimes para hablar de frecuencia. A un nivel B1 se puede incluir más detalles sobre la frecuencia de esas tareas y cómo se dividen en la familia. Por ejemplo, my son washes the dishes and my daughter vacuums. También podría añadir ejemplos de cómo la organización de la casa afecta esas tareas. Por ejemplo, at home, I usually do the dishes after the meals. My son vacuums once a week, and my daughter tidies up the living room. I also help with the laundry sometimes. If I had more time, I would try to keep the house more organized and even to decorate it. However, as my husband works long hours, I do most of the housework at home and I don't have much time to tidy up.